Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are?
Hey gorgeous girls, are you ready for a trip down memory lane? Get your Britney on and let's get started. If you've ever wondered how to get big, huge, bouncy hair, and admit it, I know you have, keep watching. Oh, and welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time visiting, welcome to my channel, Fire Over 50. A couple of weeks ago, I was going through Flipboard and I saw this story about Chris Appleton, who, in case you don't know, is Jennifer Lopez's hairstylist, and Chris was recreating a big, bouncy 90s blowout. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to do this. Growing up in the 70s and 80s, I had really big hair. Kind of like this, probably even bigger. And just think, we didn't have all the tools and products that we have now, but we still managed to do it. I try to use the same products and tools that Chris used in his video. Oh, and speaking of tools, let me show you what I'm going to be using to get this look. I didn't have the same hair dryer, but I did use my Baby Blitz Pro, and the brushes I'm going to be showing you are actually a collaboration between Conair and Baby Blitz Pro. The two products I'm going to be using are both from Color Wow. The first one is Raise the Root, and this is what's going to give us some extra lift. And then the other product is the Dream Coat Spray. Now, I was only able to get this in the travel size at my local Ulta, but it'll work just fine. The brushes are Leandro Limited brushes, and like I had mentioned earlier, they're a collaboration between Conair and Baby Blitz Pro. The first one we're going to be using is the Boar Cushion Brush, and you can see it's got a nice long handle with a grip. Now, if you're going to be using your own round brushes at home, make sure you grab the largest size that you can, because that's what's going to give you your nice big bouncy curl. And then lastly, we'll also be using some Velcro rollers at the very end, just to give us some extra bounce, and these are also from Leandro Limited. I'll have all the products and tools listed down below in the comments, along with a link to Chris's Instagram video. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is spray this Color Wow Raise the Root spray all through the roots on the top of my head, and this will give some lift that we'll be needing for this look. And I'm just going to spray it all through my roots on the top and just kind of get it all through there. And next we're going to take another Color Wow product, and this is the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. And I was only able to get this in a travel size, but this will work just fine. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray this on my ends, and that'll keep my ends nice and smooth and not frizzy. Then I'm going to take the Leandro Cushion Boar Brush and just comb it through my hair so I can get all the product evenly distributed. I'm just going to take my blow dryer and just get it a little bit drier than it is. And then next, I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to be using these clips. The first section will be from my crown to my ears. Just clip that out of the way. And then the next section will be from my crown to my nape. We'll just clip that out of the way, and we'll do the same for this side. This way we can concentrate, as we're blow drying it smooth, on just the certain sections. We're going to use the Leandro, and this is a large round bristle brush. So we are going to blow dry it down, and this way it'll keep it smooth, because if we blow it up, it's going to get all frizzy. So we will do that now, and this is going to be on a warm setting. And once your hair is about 90% dry, put your dryer on the cool setting and then keep drying it down with a big brush. And as you dry each section, just curl it around your finger loosely. Curl it up and under, and then just get a silver clip and clip it in. And then just do your other sections as you dry them. And we will then let it sit and set for about 5 minutes. Once you take your hair down from the clips, it should be big and bouncy. You should be able to flip it around and had a lot of body to it. But we're not done yet. And then next we are going to get this front section of our hair and our Velcro rollers and just wrap it around nice and loosely. And we're just going to go all the way through our hair and do this. And again, don't get real involved in getting it really super neat or anything. We're just trying to give it a little extra oomph. I am back with my very big, very bouncy 90's blowout. And you can see, since we put the curlers up in the center, you can flip it any way you want to flip it. And it's gonna just fall differently. And then if you wanted to give it a little extra oomph, you could even put some hairspray in the roots. I hope this brought back lots of memories of standing in front of our mirrors and getting our hair as big as possible. Now, if you were too young to remember this or not even born yet, I hope this gives you some ideas on how to do this look yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you liked it, please don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button. Quick big hair tip. Don't forget to put your seat down in the car so your hair fits in. Have a gorgeous day. I can't wait to see you next week. Much love. Bye-bye.